The Lawn Care Hustle series. This is ex-con Mike from After Prison Advice, and in this video, Jonathan from Florida Turf Pros reveals his #1 tip to grow your lawn care business. Spring is here and there's money to be made. Watch till the end to see how to make it.
What's up, guys? Jonathan with Florida Turf Pros. Impromptu video tonight. I'm currently sitting in my shop slash boat garage. I don't think I've ever even seen this before. I wasn't planning on doing a video. I was out here just hiding. You ever just had those weeks where you get through it, but it's like the world is burning around you? Most of us have experienced that, with the spring rush. And we've certainly been very blessed. This spring, I picked up, well, this month in particular, March that just passed, we picked up 27 new lawn clients. And I want to share with you how I did that. But more importantly than the 27 lawn clients, the thing that I want you to take away in this video was that 19 of those 27 lawn clients, that's the important number, 19 of those lawn clients came from 3 neighborhoods, okay? So 3 neighborhoods, and we got 19 new clients out of 3 neighborhoods. How did we do that, okay? Of course, the postcards and website and that type of thing, that all works in continuity to help with density. But there's one thing that I did differently over the winter that I solely credit to us picking up so many clients in these 3 neighborhoods, of which really are less than like a mile away from my house, and they're all right beside each other. So during the fall and winter, I posted a lot of videos on some social media stuff, whether it was our Facebook page or closed and private messages to homeowners associations. I sent them articles, I sent them free content. There was nothing in there sales gimmicky at all. It was just straight up advice or tips for how to do certain things at different times of the year for your lawn. And, whether it was how to properly mulch your bed, what you want to do for weed control in flower beds, how to cut a new border on your flower beds, pruning sago palms, hedge, whatever. I mean, you get the idea, okay? What I did was I wrote articles, and then I also made some instructional videos. But what happened was, is those videos, those articles started to circulate through some of the homeowners association's closed Facebook groups. But in particular, the mom groups, okay? Most of you know that neighborhoods, they have closed Facebook groups where they talk about comings and doings of the neighborhood. But these neighborhoods in particular had another subsection, which was just a moms group, okay? So just hang with me here. The moms group, you may have figured this out by now, but your buyer in lawn care is women. I'm not saying that men don't buy lawn care, but I'm saying that if you are targeting a marketing, it needs to be addressed towards women, period, okay? Now, what I have observed in 3 years full-time in business and dealing with a lot of people is 9 times out of 10, it's either a woman on the phone, a woman sending the estimate, or if the guy is sending the estimate or the phone call, or if I'm communicating with the guy, there is a woman behind it somewhere in there pushing him along, telling him what needs to be done and that type of thing. I'm not saying I don't communicate with men, but if I am communicating with a guy, it's because there's a woman somewhere in the background. That's a general rule of thumb. 9 times out of 10, that's what I've observed. So the power of these closed Facebook groups with these mom groups, okay? We had this information circulating, these free articles and stuff circulating in these groups. Well, they saw this, and they would contact me to come out and do either an estimate or do some miscellaneous work. What happened is, whenever we got out there, and showed up in our professional uniforms with, nice equipment, and we can talk to these people and are articulate, are using technology, and we're different than anybody else they used before. These women and in these closed Facebook groups, they are your golden ticket. I mean, it sounds ridiculous, but if you can wow these women is really the best. I know it sounds stupid, but the best way to say it is you wow these people, and what happens is they spread our name like wildfire through these mom groups in these neighborhoods, okay? Um, we picked up just, one neighborhood, 9 extra yards, another neighborhood, 6 extra yards, another neighborhood, 4 extra. And, you know, you can see how easy it is to go into these neighborhoods, and you have 30 homes within 2 neighborhoods, and you're not even moving the truck. You have absolutely almost zero non-billable time. Your employees come to work, you drive less than a mile from your house or your place of business, and they work for 7 hours straight. There is no drive time. It's not all non. There's no non-billable time. And if you get your pricing right with that, and you have a route density in your business like that, you can make a lot of money in one day. You can make a ton of money in one day, okay? So the point of this video is this. If you're having a little bit of problem with your route density, I want to encourage you to find a creative way to get inside these closed Facebook groups, whether it's the HOAs or these mom groups. Have your friends circulate some of your content. And again, the key is to not be salesy. And the mistake I'm seeing over and over again right now when I see ads on Facebook for their lawn businesses or whatever is that they all look the same. The only thing that's different is the name. It's we do a job better than anybody else. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, and free estimates. You have to do something different to stand out. And the strategy that I used was to provide free content all throughout the fall and winter, get it into these closed Facebook groups. When we got our opportunity to get in these subdivisions and with these mom groups who were seeing this information, we wowed them whenever we showed up. They told all of their friends about how good we were, and their friends called us for work during March. So that work that we did during the fall and winter, by just not taking the fall and winter completely off, I just did some back end work. It has paid dividends exponentially for us this March. April is shaping up to be no different. We are receiving more and more work from more neighborhoods in the area from that same strategy that I did, okay? So the point in this video is this. It's not too late to up your game with advertising, okay? Advertising is something that has to be done differently nowadays. It has to be, you have to put your mind in the eyes of the client. Like, what is going to make somebody watch your video? You have to give them something that they truly care about or want to know about. What is going to make them, read an article? Nobody just wants to see free estimate. Keep scrolling. But if you provide a 4 or 5 bullet point, easy to digest information on what you need to do to your lawn or flower beds to solve a problem that these people are experiencing right now, that information gets circulated. And if you show up and do a good job and wow people, your name will spread like wildfire. That's what we had done, and that's what worked for us. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you while I have you real quick. I know I've never showed you my shop, and this is really impromptu. Everything is a disaster. I'm actually in the process of us getting into a small warehouse space. More on that to come. Very, very exciting time for us right now. But I'm in my boat right now. This is my Mako. There's my tower. Here is my weed eaters. Let's see, what else do we got in here that you would even care about? Yeah, looking pretty lean in here right now, but that's what we got going on right now. And I've been pretty much running my business for 3 years, out of this shop and then my garage. But that's about to change. We have one full-time employee, one part-time employee, and I'm fixing to add 2 more part-time employees. And I'm fixing to have a video coming out talking about a fantastic strategy for picking up employees. That is just a Achilles heel for many lawn businesses. I have a solution for you if you are looking for part-time help. It's a real good solution. It's something that I've done this year. Working out fantastic. I'll share that video with you very, very shortly. All right, good luck, guys, and God bless.
This is Ex-Con Mike from After Prison Advice, and I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that notification bell to be kept up to date on all my new videos. Until next time.